Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. As you know, we are discussing about cell, the fundamental unit of life. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. In that there is a nucleus that is discovered by Robert Brown. Cell has three major parts which I told you earlier. Which one? First one, plasma membrane. Second, cytoplasm. Third, that is nucleus. We have already discussed about plasma membrane and cell wall. Today we are going to discuss nucleus. Then we will discuss cytoplasm. Okay? Let us discuss about nucleus. As you know, nucleus is the controlling organ of the cell, means all the activities which are happening inside the nucleus or inside the cell are controlled by nucleus. All the activities which are going on inside the cell are controlled by nucleus, and nucleus is discovered by a scientist called Robert Brown. Clear? Let us start. Occurrence means पाया कहाँ जाता है. It is present in all eukaryotic cells. The nucleus is absent in mature mammalian red blood cells and in sheep tubes of the vascular plants. In prokaryotic cells, a well-defined nucleus is not present, as we have already discussed. So the nuclear region in prokaryotes is called as nucleoid, which contains a folded circular DNA molecules. Clear? In case of prokaryotic organism, nucleus is termed as nucleoids. Its structure: the nucleus is usually spherical or oval in shape and is much denser than cytoplasm. मीन्स साइटोप्लाज्म में ज़्यादा कंडेंस होता है, डेंस होता है. ठीक. इट यूजुअली ऑक्युपाइज ए सेंट्रल पोजीशन इन द सेल. जनरली ये सेल के सेंटर में पाया जाता है, बट देयर आर फ्यू एक्सेप्शंस. बट इट मे बी शिफ्ट टू वन साइड with the formation of vacuoles in case of plant cell. The nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane which together constitute a nuclear envelope. It separates the nucleus from the surrounding cytoplasm. These two membranes are separated by a clear space and is continuous with the channel of endoplasmic reticulum. Thus it remains connected to all parts of the cell. Several tiny pores known as nuclear pores are present in the nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane that allows the transport of materials between the nucleus and cytoplasm. The colorless dense fluid enclosed by nuclear membrane is known as nuclear sap or nucleoplasm. मीन्स न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो लिक्विड पाया जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म, और न्यूक्लियस और सेल मेम्ब्रेन के बीच में जो लिक्विड पाया जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज साइटोप्लाज्म. क्लियर? The colorless dense fluid enclosed by nuclear envelope is known as nuclear sac or nucleoplasm, which help in maintaining the shape and structure of nucleus. The nucleolus and chromatin material are the two nuclear structures that remain embedded in the nucleoplasm. Means chromatin material, or you can say genetic material, or chromosome and nucleolus. These two structures are found inside the nucleus. Clear? Now chromatin. What is chromatin? Chromatin material is tangled mass of thread-like material inside the nucleus, which is made up of DNA and histone proteins. Chromatin is basically made up of repeating subunits called nucleosomes. Each nucleosome has a DNA molecule wrapped around histone proteins. DNA is the storehouse of genetic information. As I already told you that DNA is a genetic material. It helps a cell to carry out its metabolic function and is responsible for replication of cell and passing on genetic information to next generation of the cells. Nucleolus. The nucleolus is spherical in shape and may be one or more in number. It is present inside the nucleus. It is densest organelle and prominent in the cell that synthesize proteins. Means न्यूक्लियोलस में जो है आपके 3 तरह के आरएनए, राइबोसोमल आरएनए, ट्रांसफर आरएनए एंड मैसेंजर आरएनए पाए जाते हैं, जो कि प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. द न्यूक्लियोलस इज नॉट enclosed by any membrane. It contains RNA molecules and protein that serves as site for protein synthesis or ribosome synthesis. Therefore, nucleolus is also known as factory of ribosomes, or you can say factory of protein synthesis. Ribosomes play an important role in protein synthesis in the cytoplasm. Next, that is chromosomes. When a cell start dividing, the tangled mass of means, अब देखिए नॉर्मल कंडीशन में जेनेटिक मटेरियल क्रोमेटिन फाइबर और क्रोमेटिन थ्रेड के फॉर्म में नॉर्मली पाया जाता है सेल में. बट व्हेन सेल स्टार्ट्स डिवाइडिंग मीन्स जब जो है मान लीजिए न्यूली बॉर्न बेबी है या जो भी आप लोग हैं एडोलेसेंट एज में, जब लंबाई वगैरह बढ़नी हो, मोटाई बढ़नी हो, ठीक है, उसके लिए सेल डिवीज़न होना आवश्यक होता है. ठीक, तो उस दौरान जो है ये जो आपका क्रोमेटिन फाइबर है वो चेंज होता है किस में, मोटा हो जाता है, थिकेड एंड शॉर्टेंड में छोटा हो जाता है और मोटा हो जाता है. उस समय इसी क्रोमेटिन फाइबर को क्या बोलते हैं, क्रोमोसोम्स. लेट अस नो. When a cell start dividing, the tangled mass of chromatin condense into long threads and finally form a rod-like structure called chromosomes. Chromosomes are mainly composed of two components, that is DNA and proteins or histone proteins. These structures of DNA carry information necessary for protein synthesis and are known as genes. And who discovered the chromosome? W. Ward Ware. W. Ward Ware. Genes are functional unit of DNA and are passed from one generation to next generation. This is the reason a gene is called as hereditary unit, means structural and functional unit of hereditary material, and DNA is called as hereditary material. Structure of chromosomes. The chromosomes are rod-shaped or thread-like structure with a size of about 0.5 to 30 micrometer in length. They are usually present in nucleus and become visible during the cell division. Each chromosome contains DNA and proteins. A typical chromosome has two arms called chromatids. These two arms are joined at a narrow central area called centromere or primary constriction, which renders a distinct shape to the chromosome. मतलब ये अलग तरह का स्ट्रक्चर प्रोवाइड करता है. द टर्मिनल रीजन ऑफ द आइदर साइड ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इज कॉल्ड एज टीलोमियर, मीन्स दोनों एंड जो होते हैं क्रोमोसोम के उसको क्या कहते हैं? टीलोमियर. बिफोर ए सेल डिवाइड्स क्रोमोसोम डुप्लीकेट्स इटसेल्फ एंड फॉर्म्स इट्स आइडेंटिकल कॉपीज. सेल डिवीज़न के समय क्रोमोसोम डिवाइड करता है और अपनी आइडेंटिकल कॉपी बनाता है. बोथ द कॉपीज ऑफ क्रोमोसोम नोन एज सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स remain attached to the common centromere. These sister chromatids consist of similar genes in them. At the time of cell division, both the sister chromatids separate and each of them becomes an independent daughter chromosomes. Due to this separation of sister chromatid, each daughter cell contains its own genetic material. Okay. Now diploid and haploid number of chromosome. The number of chromosome is defined in each species of eukaryotic cell. There is always a pair of chromosome of each kind. This paired chromosome condition is called as diploid. A cell having paired chromosome is called a diploid cell. The human body cells are diploid. A set of consisting of unpaired chromosomes of each kind is called haploid. A cell comprising half number of chromosomes is called as haploid cell. The haploid cell contains unpaired chromosome. In human beings, each body cell contains 46 chromosomes, or you can say 23 pairs. The gametes, sperm and ovum in human beings are haploid. In human, each cell normally contains 23 pairs of chromosomes for a total number of 46 chromosomes. The 23 pair of sex chromosome looks different, that is, one belong to male and another female. The female have 2 copies of X chromosome, whereas male have X chromosome and Y chromosome. The number of chromosome in the cells of organism is given, and we will tell you in our next class. Okay, thank you.